Hello and welcome to this episode of This Cute House. Today we are planting a tree. So Brett has dug a hole and we're seeing if this is the right, looks like the hole is a little too deep. We want the top of the root ball here to be above the ground a little bit. So we got to add some more dirt back in. And yeah, then we're gonna have a beautiful tree. Now this is exactly what we want. Now the tree is gonna be sitting on top of a mound in the middle of our hole. We have a trench around the center mound for the water to go in so that the roots will go down and out. And the hole is 3 times the width of the root ball of the tree. So now we're going to add the fertilizer to our dirt and plant the tree. Now we're mixing our soil that we dug out of our hole with soil building compost. It helps break up hard clay soils, I guess. Interesting. Well, we're gonna add it to our dirt because the guy at the tree store told us to. And we're gonna mix that together and use that to backfill our hole when we're planting a tree.
We filled up the dirt halfway on the tree. The tree's sitting about 2 inches above the ground level. We filled it up with half the dirt. Now we're getting it all wet. I'm not sure how wet we're supposed to get it. Do you remember?
It said to fill it with water and then let it drain.
So we fill it with water and then let it drain. We'll see if the soil soaks too fast. Might not be able to fill it up.
Look at that rock.
There's a rock. It's okay.
A moat around Tree Island. And there you have it. A beautiful new tree. It'll be perfect next spring when it blooms. And it's going to be a beautiful addition to our front lawn. I'll see you next time on This Cute House. This color. Drilling a hole. Dun, 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 dun.